In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color some parts of your horizontal axis in Tableau. Enhancing the visual appeal of your data can make all the difference when presenting your insights, and with Tableau, you have the tools to add that extra pop of color exactly where you need it. First, let's start by opening the Tableau public app. Make sure it's installed and ready to use on your computer. Once it's launched, navigate to your worksheet where you'll be applying these changes. Next, head over to the menu bar at the top. You're going to click on Analysis and then select Create Calculated Field. This is where we start building the foundation for our axis coloring. Give this new calculated field a name. Let's call it Container. You'll need to input a query. This is essential for what we're about to accomplish. Once you've done that, click OK to save your changes. Now repeat this process by going back to Analysis and creating another calculated field. This time, name it Color 2018. Again, type in the necessary query that correlates with your data settings, and once you're satisfied with the inputs, hit OK. After setting up these calculated fields, it's time to start setting up your visual elements. Begin by dragging the Order Date field to the columns shelf. This action sets up the timeline in your chart. Then, bring the Discount field over to the Rows shelf. Organizing your data in this way prepares your chart for the next set of customizations. To change the appearance of your chart, select Bar Chart from the options available. This type of chart is ideal for visual representation when working with detailed comparisons across time periods. Following that, drag measure names to the color shelf. This is crucial as it sets up the base for your color variations across different measures on your axis. Continuing on, you'll drag Container to the Rows shelf and set it to Dual Axis. This step is essential for blending multiple data visualizations within a single graph. Then, right-click on the container axis and choose Synchronize Axis to ensure both axes are scaled correctly and aligned. Navigate to the marks card for AGG Container next. Here, you'll remove measure names and replace it by dragging Color 2018 to the color shelf. This determines which segments will be highlighted with that specific color tone. To add further emphasis, drag Order Date to the text mark. It will give your viewers clear, contextual information directly on the chart. Lastly, click on Color and take a moment to edit the axis color. Feel free to choose vivid or subtle shades depending on the story your data is telling. And there you go. With these steps, you're all set to highlight different sections of your axis in Tableau. Making your data visually engaging is not just about aesthetics. It's about enhancing communication and ensuring your insights are effortlessly comprehended. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing.